present our certificate. They call annual and chicken. So we work on it together. So I want to know if someone here know what they call annual, and I don't know if maybe someday eat something like annual. Is a question? Yes. I see the smile.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, great. So for this project, I did a big role because the first of all, I went to market with the book, and after that, when we came back at home, I go on the chicken room and work with my team. So what I did specifically, so first, after market, I can say that I went somewhere because we search where we can see kitchen, and we don't see what we plan before go to market, and then I move on another market and try to get natural kitchen, because we say that we don't want something they put in freezer, something like that. No, we like natural like kitchen. So when I went there, we discussed and I bought it, and after that I came home with my team. The first part, we clean everything. So we use lemon, because we don't want, if we have time to taste, we don't want to someone say that when I smell I can get something. No, we don't want this. So we use lemon. We clean very good, and yes, after that, before put on fire, we use garlic. We use salt. We also use some ingredient and mix everything and put on fire. And when I put it on fire, in 25 minutes, something like that, 25 minutes, after 25 minutes, we mix sometimes to see, yes, if we have a good taste, if everything is okay. So also call my colleague and say, yes, can we see this, if salt is okay or it's too much, can I reduce, can I add some water, can I do this, and so on and so forth. So after this part, we remove on fire, and then we mix with the tomato paste. So one part is tomato paste, another part is pepper. So green pepper, we use green pepper. So like I said, when I start, I say we want to see everything very natural because I like food, I like it. So so we use pepper, so green pepper, and we mix everything, small salt, and we cook. And then we maybe after 10 minutes, something like this, we put on fire. I don't know if you have the video or you can show. Yes. So, like I said, the one big part I did, and after that, another part is armure. So we have chicken, but how can we do our armure? Without armure, we can't eat just kitchen and go back home. No. So we need to do our armure. So we have our flour, we have everything. So yes, you can see Miss Nadesh and me. We try to do. So I mix everything. I have tomato paste, I have green pepper, I have salt and onion, garlic also. So we mix everything, put on fire. After that, we add the water, like 2 liters water. After that, I mix everything, put before Nadesh helped me, and I mix very well. So it's one part. If you don't do it very well, you can lose the recipe. It's important.